Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn how to connect your WordPress to your Stripe, or how to connect Stripe payment into your WordPress. So let's say that you use WordPress as your main platform to create your online store and you would like to add a payment method, which is Stripe. So before you continue to watch this video, there is two things that you will want to do. First is to create and set up your WordPress account or your WordPress online store, because you will need to install plugin in order to connect Stripe payment method into your WordPress. And you will not be able to install any plugins if you haven't had your account yet, obviously, and if you are not upgraded into their at least creator plan. So you can go ahead and do that, and you can also just try the 14 days trials if you want. I am currently trying their trial, and as you can see, I have 1 day left. But if you would like to see how it works first and decide it later about whether you want to continue using this or not, using the free trial will give you a good amount of ideas of how everything will work. So go ahead and do that first. And then the second thing that you will want to do is to create your Stripe account. And as you can see right here, I already have my Stripe account, but you will actually have to activate your account first. So once you created your account, they will ask you to do this payment activation, which will make you have to fill in some of this data. For example, you will have to verify your business, you will have to add your bank, you will have to secure your account, you will have to add extras, and then do your review, and then finish everything, because only after you activate your payment you will be able to actually receive payment from other platforms. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to continue using the test mode, because you can actually still connect your Stripe payment method into the WordPress. And the only downsides from connecting this before activating the payment or activating your account is just that if you do sell something from your WordPress, you will not be able to receive any payments through your Stripes. Alright, so again, make sure to activate your account, create your account, activate it, and then create your WordPress and settle down with everything, the plan, the online source, and everything. And now you're ready to connect this two. So on your WordPress account, you're going to want to take a look at the left side of your screen, because these are the navigations menu that will allows you to add in your plugins. So if you scroll all the way down, you will find this plugins option. So what you want to do is you want to go to click add new plugin, and here you will want to type in Stripe, and we will see what options do we have here. So here we have one from this WP form, and it's actually a drag and drop form that will help you to create drag and drop forms payment. So you can actually use this one in order to connect your Stripe into your WordPress. Or you can also search for WP Simple Pay. As you can see, when you scroll down, you'll be able to find the Stripe payment forms by WP Simple Pay. If the plugins before that I shown you before is the one that is more general, you can actually connect not just Stripe payment, you can connect any other payment type through their plugins, and you can definitely try that. But if you would like something that is more specialized, like this one's right here, so this WP Simple Pay plugin is a plugin that was made strictly for Stripe payments form. So you can either choose the one that I've shown you before, or this one's right here, or you can also use WooCommerce integrated WooCommerce here. By adding the WooCommerce plugin into your WordPress, you'll be able to build your website on WooCommerce, and then you can set up your payments through there. But for now, I'm going to use the Stripe payments forms by WP Simple Payment, and then I'm going to go ahead and take a look at the description. So here it says that the best Stripe payments forms and Stripe payments plugins for WordPress. WP Simple Pay is the best Stripe payments forms and Stripe's payments plugin for WordPress that helps you quickly accept credit card, Apple Pay, Ideal, and other payments types on your WordPress site. So you can also take a look at the checkout payment processing features and go ahead and read everything if you want. And once you found all of the information that you need regarding about this payment method, you can go ahead and click install and activate. And now we wait until the plugin is done installed. Once it's finished installing, you will see this page right here that says that the plugin is installed, and we can manage our plugin by clicking this manage plugins options. Then go ahead and click get started. And now we're going to want to click connect with Stripe. And once you're done connecting your plugins into Stripe, you can go ahead and start creating your payment form. Since I've already logged in into my Stripe account, as you can see right here, the connections between the plugins and the Stripe account is done easily. And now let's try and create our payment form. Alright, so here we can start by selecting our templates. We have payment button, we have donate button, Alipay payment button, Giropay payment button, Ideal payment button, and Zlui24 payment button. And then if you upgrade your account to Pro, you can also get access to all of their pre-made form templates. For example, this Afterpay one, and then this Alipay payment form, Apple Pay or Google Pay, etc. But we can always start with the simple one like this payment button one. So you can go ahead and click use templates on the templates that you will want to try. And then here you'll be able to settings on what you want the payment button to appear to be on your website. So for example, this one, I want it to be not payment button, but let's say it's going to be pay now. And then you can add whatever descriptions that you want. So currently it says collect a payment with Stripe checkout, and I'm just going to leave it as it is. And then you can also set on the type whether it's going to be an on-site payment form or off-site Stripe checkout form, which means that if you click on the off-site Stripe checkout form, once your customer is going to check out on your WordPress website, they're going to be automatically directed into the checkout form on Stripe. So you can choose whichever you want. So let's say that we're going to work with off-site Stripe checkout for now. And then you can also set whether you want to use CAPTCHA. And using CAPTCHA is going to be very helpful to prevent fraud or just prevent the possibilities of being scammed. So you can go ahead and turn on the CAPTCHA, and you can just change on whichever CAPTCHA you want. For example, I want this Google reCAPTCHA one. And obviously you're going to have to sign up and add your keys. So go ahead and do that. Now once you're done with the general, you're going to want to go to this payment sections here. So here you'll be able to see the payment mode. You can choose whether you want to choose the global setting, test mode, or live mode. And then you can also set the text collection as well as the price of the product. And then you can also add up the payment method, so you can choose on whichever payment method you want to put as the customer's options. And then you can take a look at the form fields. So here you'll be able to choose on the fields for your form, and then you can also see the payment button that will appear. So you can change the button text as well as the button processing text, and then you can choose the button style, either it's going to be stripe blue or default. You can also add purchase restriction if you want, and then you can settings the Stripe checkout through here. You can add image if you want, and then you can choose whether you want to collect the shipping address or any other customer's information. And then you can take a look at the payment page, the confirmation page, the email notification if you upgrade to the Pro plan, as well as the automation. And once you're done with everything, all you have to do is click on publish, and then you got your WordPress connected into your Stripe payment method. And that's basically it. That is how you can connect your Stripe into your WordPress. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.